Hello, good morning. Today is a Saturday and today I'm going to the um, bird sanctuary or the Vogel Revalidatie Centrum to visit all those birds like him. Hey, the sick birds and other sick animals, and hopefully it will be a fun day, right? Okay, so let's go. Let's start with this little boy. This is a Bali sprue. I don't know if you can see him. Hey there. And he's from Indonesia. He wants to eat insects, worms, snails, and different sorts of fruits. I don't know if you can see from here. Maybe much better. So there he is. He's a Bali sprue of Leucoposa Rothschild. So the next one is apple fink and sprue and size. Let's see if we can find them. They're there. Oh, there another one is sick or dead, I think. Oh. So cute. This one is the Turkish turtle, they call it. Turtle doves, if I'm not mistaken. I cannot. Hey. All swallows here. Oh, I don't know if I can find them. They're very active right now. See them? You see him? It's a parrot, if I'm not mistaken. These are all doves here from different color. I don't know if you can see them. Oh wait, I'll get close. Yes, they're all there. Some of them are sick, of course, that's why they're here. And so cute how they are. Chillin'. So here an owl. There he is. know guys if you can see him, but he's there. And these are, I don't know what bird they are, but he's chilling. And if you look here further, this should be Turen Falak. He's sleeping, I think, guys. There's nobody. Let's go here to the chickens. I used to have a pet chicken, and the name's Trini. Hi, friend. Oh, poor thing, look. He's very ill, I think. I don't know guys if you can see him. There. He's blind. Here they really save the chickens and not eat them, unlike in the Philippines. This I wanted to see. It's another sort of owl that they have, but they are sleeping, I think. He is or she is. I don't see him. Yeah, it says here that they are always in the night. So there's the owl, guys. Next one is this. These are house doves. And we go on this side. Oops. We'll start here. These are all, these are all the duckies and the geezes and swans. You can see them up close. Enjoying, chilling out, guys. They're just chilling out. Let's see. Never swimming pool. And also different colors. So, one is chilling. Hey, chilling like a villain. This one is just, he just woke up, I think. Oh, and here, chicken. Let's proceed into this side. These are just small duckies. It's so cute. How they're just chilling there. I don't know guys if you can see him, but he's there. And these are, I don't know what bird they are, but he's chilling. And if you look here further, this should be Turen Falak. He's sleeping, I think, guys. There's nobody. Let's go here to the chickens. I used to have a pet chicken, and the name's Trini. Hi, friend. Oh, poor thing, look. He's very ill, I think. I don't know guys if you can see him. There. He's blind. Here they really save the chickens and not eat them, unlike in the Philippines, of course. So guys, another owl, but usually owls are night creatures, so I'm sure that they are hiding in the dark, so you cannot see them. A big friend, He's about chilling. It's also an owl, guys. You will see him there. He's chilling about his daily life. Look at him. English, but you'll see that they make different kinds of nest. This is from this bird, now they call it in Dutch. So this bird creates this nest. That bird pink. So this one is from Kunling. And this Biswamhara, Bezemharen, they said. It's a big one. I'm going to flip now. So also another nest. It's like, how do you call it? If humans have different kinds of houses, they also create their own houses to lay their eggs, of course. This is spectacular. Van een zanglijster. En een putter. Mirror. This is for mirror. And this one is facing. Cool. And this one is very big. Of course. The bigger the bird, the bigger the nest. There, guys. So we'll go here first. These are all the duckies. The park ants or the park duck and the cohans. I don't know if I can zoom in. Let's zoom into the birds. Here's a big black swan. I haven't seen a black swan ever. They're just chilling here, guys, chilling. Other sort of ducks. I didn't know there's a lot of them, but they seem to be enjoying over there, guys. You can hear the so cute to hear. Okay, so this one is a soccer falcon or a falcon, guys. Let's get up close and personal with Mr. Falcon there. Hello, Mr. Falcon. So that's a falcon, guys. So amazing, these birds. a giraffe. I don't know how they are. Oh, they're very big. My goodness. They're zoomed in, guys. That's why but they are really huge. Look how huge they are. Yeah. It's just chilling. There's two of them actually. The other one, if you can see him there, he's moving. This one is very big. There he is, the other one. Okay. No, there's two of them, guys. These are so lovely creatures, guys. Oh my god, that's nice. I think they're from a family of falcon. We'll see what they are. We'll check first. Mr. Guy. So they are Wustine buzzard. So they eat birds. They are from south of US to Chile. These are very big birds, and that is Mr. Birdie there. Yep. They're chilling. There's another one there. And my friend. So. Oh my gosh, they're flying. See them? Very big, very, very big. Okay, so we can sit here and relax and enjoy. Those are from those birds. We'll zoom into them. How do you call that? They call it ooievaart, denk ik. I think in Dutch, but I don't know how you call them in English. I forgot. You remember like the ones bringing like with the pictures of a baby always? Like they're bringing the baby? Yes, those are those birds, and these are their nests. Oh my gosh, he pooped, guys, he pooped. You will see them pool there. It's going winter, guys. That's why these plants are already like wilting away. a very and these are blueberries or blackberries. You can see them. So berries are one of the favorite of the birds, of course. In this little foresty area. Oh, those berries, guys, those berries. And here are, we call these fruits. So cute. I don't know what they call it. They're just growing there. And these are rhodbessa or red berries, but they are not available. And lovely flowers. It's nice to sit here, guys, because it's very, very how they call it, peaceful. And all you hear are like animal noises. So we'll see what is this. Oh, here first are Leafy-Herbaceous. I don't know if you're familiar with them, but you can usually find them. This little ladybug. Yes, I think I saw one, if I'm not mistaken. Oh no, that's not a ladybug, guys. And here, they said, is for the bees and the wasps. Oh my gosh, I thought it was something, but it was a... Do you see that? Guys, have you seen that? That was actually a butterfly. I will zoom in if I can. Let's see. There he is, the little butterfly. And then there's another one, guys, there. Show it to you. You know, I miss that. When I was young in the Philippines, there were a lot of butterflies of different colors, and now I don't see them in the wild anymore in the Philippines. Only in like butterfly sanctuaries. But here in the Netherlands, you can still see them, especially when it's springtime. So just little plants there. Nice flowers, guys. Flowers are very, very important. See, another sort of butterfly. Do you see it? Because there are a lot of flowers here, guys, of different sorts. That's why there you can see them flying around. These are the white sorts. We'll get close and personal to Mr. Butterfly there. There he is. There's also like fly. Okay. And then we'll proceed on this side. These are all beautiful. These are dahlias. I will try if I can still make it to the dahlia where they plant different sorts of dahlias. Oh, my camera got stuck in one of the dahlias. Wait. So, and here is for example, this hedgehog and all those things. Oh, how lovely. Wait, I'll zoom out, guys. So these are for the bees, guys. And these are for these birds. Boom martyr. You can still see them here actually in the wild. That little thing. And stain martyr. And another boom martyr. Boom means oh no, this is in bunzing, guys. But in boom martyr, boom means tree, and stain means rock. So maybe he is more of like the rock guy. He's more of the tree guy, you know. But it's amazing how they created also this wall, which is full of wood. So that's a hotel for the insects. So on the other side you'll find this very pretty. Oh, do you see that bee, guys? Oh, it's a very big one. I'm not allergic to bees, so it's okay. Get close to Mr. Bee there. Oh, he moved away. He moved into the other. Oh, it's not focusing anymore. There. Guys, these are all different kinds of trees that grow. I'm not familiar with them. My husband actually was more familiar with this sort, but they grow here, of course. I'm not sure at all. But these, of course, trees are very important for the birds. I'll try to touch all of them. But those are different kinds of trees. That's another nest for a winter coning or the winter king bird. And now we'll go here. This is for the bees. Okay, we'll see. I don't know if I can. Okay. Can I look at it or? Is it allowed? Yeah, guys, there's more birdie there. This is the, not the exit yet, but this is the owl. I was looking for it for a very long time, but since it's morning, they usually like chill there. So there she is. Wow, I love owls. I have an obsession with owls. So for me, this is something really fascinating. And guys, another oohoo is there. Chillin'. Very big. Don't know if you can see him, but it's very big. There you go, guys. The little guy is really like looking at me like, okay. So I guess guys, these birds are really wondering what I'm doing, but So there you go, guys, with the tour of the Vogel Revalidatie Centrum, or the bird sanctuary here in Zundert. And I hope you enjoyed. And if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, and comment down below. So a little more information about the Vogel Revalidatie Centrum, or what you also known as the, what is Vogel? A bird sanctuary in Zundert. So I'll read it to you guys. So the Vogel Revalidatie Centrum Zundert was founded in the year 1980, and it's one of the biggest opvangcentra. What is opvangcentra? One of the biggest bird sanctuary for all the birds, of course, and other animals in Netherlands. The Vogel Revalidatie Centrum Zundert also takes care not only, of course, the birds like what I said, but also other animals, like for example hedgehogs and rabbits. So there was one time that my husband and we saw a merle, a sort of a bird who was hanging right outside into the bushes, and so we brought it to the Vogel Revalidatie Centrum, or the bird sanctuaries.
Blackbird.
Yes, it's a blackbird. So everything, so even like hamsters and all those things which you, for example, are without owners, they brought it to the bird sanctuary. So actually outside the bird sanctuary you will also find like where you can deliver those animals, and they will be taken care of course.
But
So
no, not anymore.
but of course you can also be donate. You can also donate and be a sponsor to help, of course, with the bird sanctuary. All you have to do is you go to www.vrzundertnl, and you will find more information about the Vogel Revalidatie Centrum. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like birds, and if you, there's really more to see, guys, really more to see. Especially, of course, I enjoyed a lot about the owls, because owls are one of my favorite. Yes, mister, what can you say about the Vogel Revalidatie Centrum? He is very happy, but he's always mad. Can you smile maybe? No, okay. So that's it for guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!